Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, it's the day after, the day before the Tesla earnings. The markets have reacted. This is what's going on. As you know, I sold my position, my short-term position on Tesla last night. I kept my position in my Roth IRA, but I did take profits, 30% profit, and we're looking for a pullback today. I would like to buy some to buy back in. And I do have money deployed, ready to go. So let's get straight into our trades and have a look at where we are this morning. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. I go live 10 hours a day. Everything you see here is real. This is my real journey from $5,000, and we're now just approaching. I will show you in a second. We can see part of it on the screen, 35,000, but there is some more money as well to show for it, and I'll show everything with share everything with you. If you smash the like button and we get 100 likes, we'll give away a cash prize. We also have another cash prize coming up tomorrow. In fact, we have two cash prizes on our Friday show tomorrow. We've got Ali Tizro's challenge cash giveaway. There it is in the chat. If you watch that video all the way through, open a separate tab now if you want to. Leave the comment, that's in the chat there, and smash the like and you'll be in our prize draw for tomorrow, as well as the newsletter cash giveaway. We're giving loads of money away tomorrow. It's very exciting. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. If you're watching me on TikTok and you want to be part of our main event, first thing I want to say is very, very careful. There are over 100 copycats of me on TikTok. I will never message you, never sell you anything. I go live all the time. I don't follow anyone back. I don't do follow for follow, other than my subscribers here who click the star, my top gifters who win the top gifted competition every day. And oh, there we go. Chuck Free has gone straight into the lead as our top gifter. So at the end of the show, I will follow, if he's still number one, I will follow him back. Let me share with you what I mean. This is our top gifter right now. That's Chuck Free. If you saw my video yesterday on YouTube, you will know that I showed you on a live video what I did on TikTok. Someone subscribed to me by clicking the star up here. And I followed them back, and they doubled their views and doubled their likes in 24 hours. I showed you the evidence of that on YouTube. So if you want to watch that video on YouTube, it's in the profile, youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor, or just go into YouTube, type Martyn Lucas Investor. Anyway, so Chuck Freeman is now number one. If you remain number one by the end of my show, I will follow you back and tag you in my viral post. If you click the star right there and you become a subscriber, I will actually make you a promotional video, put your video, your channel on this screen behind me, record it at the end of the show and put it on my profile. And that's exactly what I did for Neve Brennan yesterday on TikTok, who doubled her likes and views in one day. I'm here to help everybody, so be very careful of all the copycats. I will never message you. I'm only ever here to support you and help you. Anyway, back to our portfolio live here on YouTube. If you want to be in our cash prize giveaway, jump into YouTube right now. That's where we're giving away the prizes today. Oh, Bill is come back, and Bill's now number one. Bill is now number one on TikTok. There you go. Bill is number one 50% of the time. He's determined to be number one. And I'll make you another video. Bill, did you get the one I sent you yesterday? I sent you a video to promote your channel. I put it onto your messenger on TikTok. I send it to you. All you got to do now is download it and use that. I sent it to you yesterday. All right, we've got a bit of a battle going on between Chuck and Bill, who's going to be the top gifter by the end of the show, and I'll follow you back. I've got nearly 32,000 followers now, and you will gain exposure to those followers. All right, welcome, welcome. So my overall portfolio, where is it right now? Let's share with you exactly where we are. I sold my short-term position of Tesla yesterday, and this is where we are. We're 35,702. We're up today again. We're up on the live. We're up on the day. We're up on the week. We're up on the month, and we're up on the year to date. 3 months we're down, but up on the year to date. Look at that. I've got some cash now, as you can see, to deploy. Tesla, I've still got my Tesla in my Roth IRA. There's my Roth, up nearly 1%. So my overall value now is 39.5. We could hit 40,000 today, which will be great. Great earnings from Tesla. Love the company. Elon Musk, best CEO. Ali Tizro, no idea why you didn't take part last night in our debate. That would have been awesome to have you two together. But anyway, you didn't. So anyway, let's get straight into our positions and see where we are. Now, the S&P is up. Of course it's up. Tesla's a part of that. Virgin Galactic is up. Of course, that's up because when Tesla's up, high-risk stocks go up. Virgin Orbit is up 0.29. Rivian is up 4.23. EVs are up. So all EVs are up. So there we go. That tends to what happen. Now, Tesla is up 8.68. Very, very nice indeed. I am looking for a pullback. I have made a profit. I took 30% from it. Results speak for themselves. They do. However, we've got to remember, we now trade differently. We now invest differently. We are 44 times earnings, still very expensive. However, forward projections do look good for Tesla. I agree. I love Tesla, just not keen on Elon Musk anymore, as you know, for good reason. I want to see if we can get a pullback. Now, if it gets away from me, it gets away from me. I have some shares in my Roth IRA, which I plan on keeping for 10 years. So I've got some shares in there doing their business, but I would like to get back to buying in with Tesla. Anyway, I sold at the 146. That's where I sold. Right, Lucid is up. There we go. EV space all up this morning. Let's bring in the comments. Who have we got with us? Octavio, good morning. Martin, lovely family. There we go. Good day, legend, says Jason Fallon. Morning all, says Ali Tizro. Can't deny the success he's had. Indeed. Results speak for themselves. Good morning. Lucid is paying me. There you go. Lucid. Did you buy it back in, Lucid? You sold it, didn't you? Was it Rivian you sold? I'm not sure now. I'm a fan of Elon. Why don't you like him? I used to, but he lied 3 times, and I can't abide liars. I'm sorry. When someone lies, I can't. 3 times in a row, I will not sell my shares to buy Twitter. He said that 3 times. I don't like that. It's manipulating your investors. And last night, coming on a earnings call for Tesla promoting Twitter is disgusting. It's very disrespectful to your investors, especially when you dumped the stock to buy Twitter and it drove Tesla down just to turn around and say, I am basically the king of Twitter. If you don't, I can't believe anyone who doesn't see that as a bad thing. I can't see it. Now, don't get me wrong. Tesla's doing great. Tesla's making money. Tesla's a great company. That's why I bought shares in it. I don't buy shares in Binky Bonk or Bonky Bink. I buy shares in good companies. However, Elon Musk has no respect for the retail investor. Well, I'm a retail investor, I'm afraid, Mr. Elon Musk, and this is all my hard-earned money. And I know I don't count on your scale of things, but I'm a real person, and this is my real money. And because of you, my shares in Tesla dramatically drop. I take full responsibility, of course. It's my own investments. However, I don't like the way you said you wouldn't sell 3 times and you did. And now you're saying you're not going to sell until the end of 23, and I doubt that very much. I think you'll do it whenever it suits you, and that's fine. Just don't lie about it. And that's why I don't like Elon Musk right now. And if anyone lies to me 3 times in a row, I'm afraid I lose respect, because this show relies on integrity and honesty. I can't abide liars. He will make Twitter public again. Do you think so? Says Jason Fallon. I don't know. Baron Handley, how are you? Good morning. Hey, Jason. Good morning, all. Queen of Self-Braiding. Today will be another short show, I'm afraid. The shows will get shorter all the way until January the 31st, as I don't want to get my music channel demonetized. Thank you to all of you. There's about 5 of you doing it, which is a shame because I have nearly 5,500 followers, subscribers on the Martyn Lucas channel, and I have over 6,100 here on the Investor channel. So I've got to go off and make some more videos on my music channel. I've got 5 days left to save my music channel. So each day I will cut back my time until I might have to take some days off to get it done. But I won't let my music channel fail. It's how this all started. And thanks to you guys, we're up to 3,650. So thank you, the 5 or 6 of you who are watching it over and over again. I appreciate you guys so much for helping me out with that. Anyway. Lucid and Tizro, Mr. Lucas. Let's have a little look. Lucid, yeah, up 4.17. No surprise, of course. The attention is back on EVs. I like it. Tizro is up as well, 0.65. I'm up 11%. Remember, I sold half my position. Elon is a clown, but Tesla is a great company. It is. And that's why I invested in it. And it's why I still hold some shares. And I won't sell for 5 to 10 years on my Roth IRA. However, I needed some cash to buy it back. And hopefully, I'm right. Hopefully, it will go back down because I would like to own it. Anyway, we'll see. How are you today, Martin? Robbie Cooper, I'm all right. Thank you very much for asking. I appreciate that. Thank you very much for asking. Please, can you have a look at NVOS for me? Robbie Cooper, of course I can. 100% agreed with you, Martin. Thank you so much indeed. I'm glad you see my point there. I would love to hear your thoughts on NVOS. I'll do it. The Drive Home show is great. The Drive Home show. Thank you, Jason Fallon. Thanks for that. Yeah, you can loop that. Let that keep going. 3,650. Hopefully we'll hit 3,700 today. As I say, I'll be finishing the show early because I have to put that time in. Elon Musk ego is bigger than his brain. At the end of the day, people don't invest in Elon Musk. They invest in Tesla, right? I get it, but I just don't like that when you disrespect the investors. I'm an investor, right? Anyway, slept downstairs on the couch, Mr. Lucas. Had an argument with my wife. She says I give too much attention to my stocks. Oh, look at this. This is real life, look, folks. This is real life on this show. This is why I love it. It's why I love the family. Mohammed Kahain slept downstairs on the couch, Mr. Lucas. Had an argument with my wife. I tell you what we'll do. Let's run a quick commercial break and I'll make a video out of that. I think that's a good one. Let me do that a minute. I'm gonna star that. I'm going to star that one. There you go. I hope you make it on the music channel. Thank you very much, Mike. 3,650. We're close. Do you invest your gig money or use it for living expenses? I invest $2,000 a month into the stock market. So I invest about 90% of all the money I earn. Yeah. I have minimum living expenses, so nearly everything goes in here. Yeah, $2,000 a month. When's your next gig? Every Saturday night. Every Saturday night. I only just came across you. When do you see Virgin Galactic in the next few days? We'll discuss Left Hand Solly. Welcome to you. Welcome to the show. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. I do live music in the evenings, and I have videos that come out. Plus, I'm live 10 hours a day here, investing and trading. Your question on Virgin Galactic in a couple of seconds. We're just going to go to a very, very quick commercial break. Lovely to have you here, and I'll bring SPCE stock on the screen, and we can discuss it. And we can discuss my thoughts on it. All right, so here we go. Let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube sponsor, you can sponsor this space right here, right now, $99 a month. I have a reach of over 500,000 across all my platforms. Very excited about that. And we're growing every day, faster and faster every day. So if you want to sponsor my channel, you can in that space. All right. So let me make a quick video on that. I think I like that. I like that. Let me bring everybody up to date. Okay, so we are at 15 minutes. 15 mins. Stock addiction. I'll call it stock addiction. Addiction. There we go. All right, there we go. So let's go to my main. I'm going to make a video on this, and I'd like some comments to come up on the screen, actually, when I do it. And then we're going to answer Left-Hand Solly's question. Welcome to you. If you want to be in our cash prize giveaway, we've got 2 cash prize giveaways today. So you could smash the like button. And if you want to enter the competition, you can. Here is the $20 cash giveaway. We pay out live in the show. All you got to do is watch that video all the way through. Open it on a separate tab, leave the comment, and you'll be in the draw tomorrow morning on the opening bell. Anyway, let's go into this one right now. Let's have a quick look. Here it is. Now then. Are you addicted to the stock market? Do you spend your life, like I do, up to 10 hours a day focused on your investments for the future? Do you spend too much time on it? This is made during a live video. I thought this was an interesting point. One of our biggest investors, this investor has hundreds of thousands of dollars invested in the stock market, and he just posted this comment during our live show. Before I share it with you, smash the like button, and don't forget, as always, click subscribe and ring the bell. I want your thoughts on this. Do you spend too much time? Are you a long-term investor? Are you a scalp investor? Are you here every minute on your phone, on your app, playing, looking at the stocks, or do you just set limit orders? This is an interesting comment, and I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this. Mohammed Kahain said to me during a live show, slept downstairs on the couch, Mr. Lucas, had an argument with my wife. She says I give too much attention to my stocks. Look at that. What do you make of that? Well, do you give too much attention to your stocks? Since the explosion of Robinhood, and everyone's got an app on their phone now and they can look at their stocks, I must admit I was quite guilty of that when I started my journey on the stock market. I was always looking at it offline on my phone. Now I don't tend to look at it so much on my phone. I'm just here obviously presenting a show, but you could trade in 2 different ways. You can trade and invest by just setting limit orders. And then really, you don't have to look at it at all. You do your research, read the newspaper every morning, or study on the internet. That's old school, right? Study on the internet what your shares are, set limit orders, and you can leave it alone. Or do you find yourself sat on the toilet looking at your stocks? Come on, tell the truth. Do you find yourself sat on the toilet looking at your stocks? So last night, I am happy to inform that Mohammed's wife did not say you have to leave the marital bed. He decided to because it got uncomfortable. There you go. So he slept downstairs, had an argument with my wife. She says I give too much attention to my stocks. So there you go. Do you give too much attention to your stocks? Are you fully invested on the stock market? Are we about to hit a bull market right now? Well, I think it's a little bit too early. Tesla was interesting. Click up there for my Tesla playlist and you can see the earnings last night. And also, if you'd like to win some money in this video, you can. We have a video running right now, which tomorrow we're going to pay out a cash prize of $20. Not a lot, but it's double the money I make on the video. So, hey, there you go. It's free money, free to enter, free for all. All you've got to do is click that video right there. Go to that video. You'll learn all about our crypto challenge and leave the comment below, which it tells you in the video. You just got to watch it through, leave a like, and you could be in the draw tomorrow. I will tell you a little secret. Only 9 people have entered it by watching it all the way through, liked it, and left the comment. All you got to do is watch it. It tells you what comment to leave. But if you cheat and only watch part of it, you won't be in the draw tomorrow. Good luck. Until next time, spend a little less time on the toilet looking at your phone on your stock market. You want to remain married. Much more important. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's put this on the screen. Do a little thumbnail and go. There we go. I'll do a thumbnail. Okay, there's my thumbnail. And we'll put that out later. There you go. Mohammed Kahin, you are famous in today's show. When's your next gig? In fact, tomorrow night, I'm out Friday. I'm out Friday and Saturday this week. We've got to answer the question now for Left Hand Solly. Are you still here? Left Hand Solly, if you're still here, I will talk to you now. I bought 100,000 shares of Mullen. I see a squeeze to $1. Oosh. There you go. Jason Fallon is sat on the toilet right now. I'd love to know your thoughts on NVOS. I'll do it right now. I'm watching it several times to make sure I got it right. Thank you, Bill. Yes, I am. Nice video today. I'll show it to her and she'll be laughing again, and I will forget, and we'll forget everything. Absolutely, and we'll forget everything. Yeah, we get that. So Mohammed Kahin, I will put that video out later. Okay. Let's have a look. So we're going to do NVOS and we're going to answer Left Hand Solly. NVOS. Let me go back to my main position. Here we go. NVOS first of all. So let's open up a duplicate tab. NVOS. And then I'll answer NVOS. Let's have a quick look at this one. Now remember, if you are my top gifter today, it is Bill. Bill is my top gifter on TikTok. I will follow you back and I'll engage with you in my viral posts so you can hopefully go viral on TikTok. That's what I do to help everybody. So there you go. Here's the battle on TikTok right now. And Bill is number one. He's a Lucas Looper. Hashtag Lucas Loopers. Thank you very much, Bill. Can't see him there for the minute. I've just gone in, but if you wait a second, you will see Bill come up as my number one gifter right now, and he's set to win today's competition. All right. Anyway, we'll come back to that in a second. So NVOS, Novo Integrated Sciences. Well, I'm looking at this stock for Robbie Cooper. Left-handed Solly, just let you know how this works. I answer everyone's questions, but I have to focus on the members. You may notice everyone's got a badge. The reason for that is we go live 10 hours a day. The members are the ones that support the live events. Without the members, this channel wouldn't exist. All I would do is make videos and do a few, maybe a half an hour a day live. But I go live 10 hours a day. And I focus on my members, as you can understand. We have to have some sort of priority to that and perk. Here is the invitation to join. Everyone's a member. We've got the highest engagement rate on YouTube of live viewers who are members. There's a reason for that. Some of the biggest channels in the world, Mr. Beast has 8 to 9% live viewers and members. Mine is 95%. There's a reason for that, because we are here to serve and help people. And if you ask anyone, and it's why everybody is a member, they get 20 times back what they put in. We've got many perks and benefits. And ask anyone. In fact, while I'm talking to Robbie Cooper now about NVOS, could everyone tell Left-Handed Solly why you should be a member and all the perks and benefits you get? Save me saying it again. That would be very helpful, guys. All right. Okay, let me go to NVOS. We've got 13 likes right now on the chat. If we get 100 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize. Let me bring it up very quickly. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. We need... and I'm going to do NVOS right on this, okay? So here we go. We need 100 likes to give away a cash prize today. We've got 31 watching and just 14 likes. Let me bring it on the screen. Flipping heck, I'm muted the entire time. I apologise for being muted. Sorry about that. I was muted the entire time. I am sorry about that. How did I end up being muted there? It's because of earnings calls. I have to reset the earnings. Anyway, 16 likes. Sorry about that. Let me go back to the timer. Let me turn that off now. 16 likes. Very quiet this morning, but nevertheless, 16 likes. We got half the people. We might have a lot of bots watching the show today. I don't know. Anyway, let's get back to NVOS for Robbie Cooper. If you are a member, I will review a stock for you. 1, 2, 3. Hello. 1, 2, 3. 17 likes now. So NVOS. Let's have a quick look at it. Novo Integrated Sciences engages the provision of medical services. Okay. The firm offers specialized physiotherapy, chiropractic care, occupational therapy, elderly care, laser therapeutics, massage therapy, acupuncture. Okay, we get the idea there. Let me open it up. Dental services as well. All right, let's scroll down. It's founded in 2000, so it's 22, 23 years old. It's got no PE ratio, no profits to earnings, because it's not actually making any money right now. Now, right now we're in a bear market. Companies that are favoured are making money, so that there's a strike against it there. It's not making money. However, new companies all start off by not making money. I started for 10 months sitting here not making any money. I get it. You got to invest in your company, invest in yourself. Because it's so new, of course, it has no analyst reviews, no suggestions of buy, no history. However, from 22 Q2 to Q3, it has moved up substantially. February the 7th is just around the corner. It's not that far away from, if it goes on the same trajectory and it ends up here, it's very close to making money. So if I was going to buy this, first of all, it's not my kind of stock. But if I was, I'd want to know what happened from here to here and what news could get me from here back to here. So I'd be researching the company, just Google it, look at the balance sheet, see what's going on, see how much debt they've got. Right now, I'm looking for companies that don't have any debt and make money. So it's going in the right direction. Let's look at it. Volume is 13 million. Today's volume is 13 million. That must be yesterday. The average volume is 1. So it had a lot of volume yesterday. That hasn't refreshed from yesterday. But 13 million, the average is 1. So there's a lot of interest on the stock right now. The low today was 13 cents. I'm not really a penny stock fan, if I'm honest. Ed Nevius would probably provide a great chart for this because he likes this kind of stock for scalp trading. Robbie, I would suggest that Ed comes in or go into Discord because he would do a chart on this. This is right up his street. Pharmaceuticals, medical stuff. He likes all this kind of thing. So he would have a view on it. But anyway, let's have a look at it if we just pan out. It's been going pretty sideways now for a year. So just because it's cheaper than it was, and everything pops on the IPO and then sells off, that doesn't mean to say it's a good buy at 15. It could be delisted. I'd like to know what their balance sheet looks like. Do they have any debt? And a stock of this value in this genre, if you like, isn't one that interests me. Very high risk. This is the sort of thing you can scalp trade, but I would like to get a chart from our man, Ed Nevius, on that and go from there. Anyway. Okay, that's my thoughts on Novo. I hope that's of some help to you. I've got to answer the question for our guest today when I get chance. Left-hand roll, I have to focus on my members first. I will get to you as soon as I can. He was Robbie. Maybe you were watching on TikTok. Ali Tizro. He was Robbie. Maybe you're watching on TikTok. No, I'm on a laptop on YouTube and it never cut out. Maybe he's behind. I was muted. Everybody's right. End of February, the price on my Discord will be rising 50% for new members. Oh, hello, Ali. There you go. So if you want to get in now. Now, Ali, I'm doing an earlier show today for two reasons. One, I've got to work on my music channel, and two, I'm going to update your links to all of the previous videos and the new ones and the upcoming videos as well. So I'm going to do that when I finish this show. It's going to be an earlier show today. I've got just 4 days left of my music channel being demonetized, and we're at 3,650. And I said if we get closer, I'll have to start cutting back my hours to get my music channel up. Anyway, anyone who's become a member will be locked into the lowest price. Very nice indeed, Ali. Hey Martin, I went heavy on Tesla calls. Up, face, blue smiling. He's very happy, says Had Katak. Congratulations. I took a 30% profit. I'm out of the stock at the moment on my short-term position. I'm in on my long-term position on my Roth IRA. I'm hoping for a pullback. I'm hoping for a sell-off. Nothing goes straight up, even Tesla. All right. Thank you for looking, Martin. Much appreciated. They have a pending acquisition being announced soon. Okay. Get more information on that. Ali Tizro's Discord link in the chat. Check it out. You heard Ali's prices will be going up, so you can lock in the lowest price now. Robbie maybe can lip read. Maybe Robbie can lip read, yeah. Please buy Lucid now. It's dirt cheap. Take advantage for wealth. Mohammed Kahain. I would rather buy Tesla. However, I'm looking for some pullbacks. Nothing goes straight up. Nothing goes straight up. We're in a bear market rally. I still don't believe I do believe potentially we bottomed. We won't know that for 6 months, but I still believe we're in a bear market rally. Bear market rallies can last a few weeks, guys. I still think there could be a pullback. I might be wrong. I don't know. But, at the end of the day, I'm fully invested. Look, I've still got, 90% of my money. I've only got $800 in the buying power. I'm still pretty invested, right? Let's not get too carried away saying, I'm not buying the dips. I certainly am. 2023 will be painful. There we go. Mr. Clockwork thinks there'll be some more pullbacks. I've taken 30% profit. Of course, I could have set a stop trail loss, but you can't do that, of course, in a after hours. Rolling joints in Bentley the Dog on Discord. Rolling joints in the Bentley the Dog in Discord. Go and check out Bill's channel on Discord. He's rolling the joints, apparently. Go and check that out. For those of you who haven't seen his music channel, I can't recommend it enough. Initially, I was just looping it. Now I'm absolutely loving it. William Parkinson, thank you so much. Have you seen all the latest videos that I've just made over the last couple of weeks? I'm going more into production videos, like pop videos. William, thank you ever so much indeed. Hopefully we'll get there. If you loop the videos and do the long playlist, hopefully we'll save the channel. We've got like 4 days to go. 3,650. Anyway, we're just coming up to the hour. And so, Ali, I'm a little bit confused from your link. You're sending me different links. So I want to be absolutely sure. You sent me a link in the chat, right? This is the one I had the other day. And now you've posted another one in Discord. I need to be clear what Discord link you need. There is the one in the chat. I tell you what to do. Just send me the one that you want me to use. The newest, most recent one. Because at the end of the day, it's your link. I need to use the link that you're providing me. But I've had several links, and I want to be absolutely sure the link that I'm sharing on the screen and the link that I am going to put today, update across my platforms, because it isn't just here on YouTube, it's across everything, is the latest one that you want me to share. So there you go. No point me sending you several. Just tell me the one you want me to share, okay? Okay, we're up again now. Let's see how the battle's going on TikTok. Once I get that updated link from Ali, I will go to a commercial break for Ali and share it with you. Oh, I've got it there. You see, that's different than the one I just shared. Use this one. Okay. Use this one. That's the one you want. Okay. Open link in new tab. This is the one you want. This is the one we're going to use. Okay. Bear with me. This is the one. Okay. So then, we'll go to a quick commercial break right now. And we'll just mention Ali, our sponsor here on our channel. 33 members. He's going up, 9 online. Getting better, Ali, every day. I like it. I like it. Okay, so here we go. We'll go to a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in just a few seconds from now. Skip the ad, and here we go. If you are a YouTube sponsor, you can be in this space. I go to 500,000 is my reach now across all my platforms. We're growing very, very quick. You can be in this space, and we have a sponsor. And our sponsors, remember, aren't just people who pay me lots of money to say stuff I don't like or agree with. I back it, support it, and put my own money into it. So what are we talking about? Ali Tizro. Our sponsor, he pays me $99 a month to sponsor my channel. You can do the same. And these are on the videos forever. This isn't just YouTube. 500,000 reach now across all my platforms and growing every day. So this is his link to his Discord server. I'm going to put it in the chat for you right now. Here it is. You can go directly there. However, if you wish to go through my server, you get a 15% lifetime discount forever using my server. So there's Ali's server. If you are a YouTube member of mine, you can access his server. Let me give it to you right now. Here's the invitation to join. If you're not a member, I think everybody is today, right? 95% of my live viewers are members. There are many reasons why. Here is my Discord, which is free. You can just get upgraded to see all the exclusive content with Ali Tizro, of course, if you are a YouTube member. And I'll upgrade you during the show. We are just a handful away now. In fact, we are now at... we're about to become a discoverable server, which will help you, Ali, enormously, because we'll be Google searchable, discoverable. We now have 487 members. We're just 13 away from becoming a discoverable server. Anyway, if you go onto my server, you will scroll down and you will see the channels down here. And I'm going to open up the broadcast lounge. As a member, you can call in. There you go. Only members can see this. But here we see our exclusive content. Ed Nevius tips, Ali Tizro tips, Moose's tips. Here's Ali Tizro's tips. Now, if you go in here, this is the channel you'll see on my channel, on my server. And here, you will get a lifetime discount of 15%. Lifetime discount of 15%. However, if you say, no, I don't want that. I want to pay the full price, and you can. And no problem at all. Ali prefer it. Let's be honest. I don't care what you do. It's up to you. If you go to Ali Tizro's server, this is the T channel. This is what you will find. And I'm going to share this with you right now. You can access all of this. Now, what we're doing, there's some really very in-depth stuff, right? What I do is I surround myself by great people, technical readers, chart readers, crypto experts, you name it. I've got them all around me, providing me with great information. Now, what this challenge is, we have a challenge on Ali Tizro's server to get from $1,000 to $10,000 in crypto, live on the show in front of you, and you can use Ali's tips to tell you exactly what he's buying, when he's buying it, and so on. And I'll share with you, I'm doing it. He actually gave me a gift of $500. I matched it with $500 myself. That was the deal. And so there is just over $1,000 there in Coinbase. And at some point, Ali will go, right, we're going to buy this crypto coin at this price. You'll see all that information ahead of time in the charts. You don't have to worry about the charts and the technical analysis, the planning, the structure. He's there to help you and guide you. So maybe you don't have $1,000 and you know that the $1,000 to $10,000 isn't interesting to you, but maybe you have $100. So just divide the whole thing by 10. He also has another challenge, which is 7,000, which is the one that he's doing, to 100,000. So there you go. Some very big challenges, and you can be part of all that if you access Ali Tizro's server through mine or through his own directly. It's entirely up to you. The links will be below all my videos. They'll be updated today. They need to be updated, so I will do that today. So as of later on this afternoon, all the links below my videos, wherever you see me, on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Livestreamer Cafe, you name it, Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, everywhere, the links will be updated as of later on today. So there you go. Good challenge. Have some fun with that. And I'm doing it with my own money, so you might like to check it out. All right. That's a 50-cent saving. Go for it. Using what? Using my discount code. I would have thought it's more than that, actually, Bill. Hang on a minute. Bill just said it's a 50 cents. I'm not so sure that's right. It might be. Let's have a look. What is it? It's no, it's $1.50. Bill, it's $1.50, not 15 cents. Yeah, it's $1.50. I just checked it and thought that ain't right. It's $1.50, not 50 cents, and it's $1.50 every month. By the way, there we go. It's $1.50, which is about $1.70 actually. All right, it's about $1.70, I think it is. All right. Anyway, Jason Fallon's joined. There you go. Just join, Ali. Just join. There we go. There you go. Jason Fallon has become a member. Did you, Jason? Just a matter of interest, Jason. Did you do it through my my link, so you got the discount? Doesn't matter to me if you didn't. Makes no difference to me at all. What's your name on Discord? So yeah, did you do it through my discount? I'm just interested. It doesn't make no difference to me at all. I know you remember, so you would have done. I would have thought $1.50 for the bronze equals $50. $1.50 off the two. You did, Jason. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to be clear, just not to confuse people, Bill. You said it's a 50 cents discount. It's not. It's a $1.50, which is about £1.70, I think. Anyway. Oh, I see. So you get my bronze membership. You get my, bronze membership is $2.99, Bill. So basically you get 50% of my membership for free by using my coupon. See, my memberships will always be the best deal for everyone. That's the idea. It's designed to be that way. My membership is there to help people. So Virgin Galactic, what do you think? Left and roll. I apologise, but I have to focus on my members, as you appreciate. I've got 95% of my live viewers who are members. Nobody who watches the Wolf of Dubai's channel is a member. He's got about 2. So I have to focus on my members, okay? But I will come on to you now. But as you say, I have to focus on my members. We're here to serve my members. It's only a couple of bucks a month, and you get 20 times back what you put in. Anyway, I will come to you now. Virgin Galactic, what do I think of it? What do I think of Virgin Galactic? Well, I am extremely bullish on Virgin Galactic. That doesn't mean to say I'm married to the stock. That doesn't mean to say I just buy at any price. Richard Branson sold out. Elon Musk sold Tesla for certain reasons. You know, we all know that, right? Virgin Galactic. I've been to Virgin Orbit space station. I've met the people at Virgin Orbit. Not connected, but yes, connected. There are similarities. They share the same marketing, and of course, they share Sir Richard Branson. I met the people, so I learned something there. I'm also going to the Virgin Galactic space station in the summer for our convention convention. We're planning that now. So I've got some insight. I've also worked for Sir Richard Branson on the experiences as the world piano man as well. So I know that what this means to him. This won't fail. I also know that the stock, I fronted out Ross Gerber, who's a big Tesla bull, who was rubbishing Virgin Galactic the other day, saying the wings are going to fall off, and I proved that wasn't true. So I'm studying and talking to people at Virgin Galactic every day. However, we get people on this show every day try to come in and manipulate the stock, and I won't have it. They come in and say, we're flying today. No, we're not. We're flying tomorrow. No, we're not. We're flying this week. No, we're not. I've been having it now for like 2 or 3 weeks, and apparently we were flying tomorrow. We're not. There's no evidence of that whatsoever. I talk to Virgin Galactic all the time. Now, that doesn't mean to say I can't make a mistake. I make mistakes all the time. However, there's no knowledge that I have that Virgin Galactic are flying today. What I do know is they are on track. What I do know is they are burning cash, but they are earning it. They've sold all the tickets. What I do know is they're investing in the hotels, the experiences, which is bigger than the flights itself. It's the whole thing around the astronaut, which is where the money is. So I'm very bullish. I used to have 2,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. I sold it to buy more defensive stocks at the moment because we are in a bear market rally. Anyone who tells you in a bull market is living in cloud cuckoo land. I am very optimistic, very bullish, but this is a bear market rally. We could go back down again. Now, I've got 35% profit. You might go, well, why don't you sell? Why don't you take $280 off the table? I could do that, but it could keep running. It could keep running. Remember, I've already sold from my 2,000 down to 200. I've sold, 90% of it. I'm holding on to it, and I'm looking to buy it back if it goes lower, because I believe it will. I believe at the end of the bear market rally, we've got one final down leg. I'll buy back. So what I'm doing now is I'm accumulating cash. I'm earning 4% on APR from Robinhood. So I'm making money on my uninvested cash anyway. I'm holding it. I'm adding $2,000 a month, adding to my position. Virgin Galactic is a great company. It is burning cash, however, but right now, well, at least where I bought it, around the $4, you were only paying for the cash on hand, so basically you're getting the business for free. I know they're burning through the cash, but they've got the money to come with the customers. So I'm okay with that, but that doesn't mean to say I'm going to buy all my 2,000 shares back just to be super bullish because everybody wants me to. I'll buy it when I feel it's the right time. It's all about patience. So there you go. That's what I feel about Virgin Galactic. I do believe it can be $100 a share. Not because it'll be worth $100 a share, because retail investors will pump it to $100 a share. That's why. It did $70 on a test flight. It's bound to do $100 a flight, a share, when Elon Musk, who is rumoured to fly with them. No question about it. The Tesla fanboys will buy it. Everybody will buy it. It will pump to $100. If DWAC can go up like that, if Bed Bath & Beyond can do that, and they're all bankrupt stocks, of course Virgin Galactic will hit $100. However, it doesn't mean it's worth $100. It just means it will go to $100. There you go. That's my take. Got 5 minutes to go. Welcome, Jason. I've read through all channels and questions. Let me know. Says Ali. I'm sorry I can't share comments on the screen. YouTube aren't sharing them with me at the minute. I'm in from $8 down. I bought it to $35 at one point. I've been in for a while. Someone can't maths. What was that? Just bugged me. I'm not good at maths. Anyway, it's all good. It's all good. Don't worry about that, Bill. Oh, wait, maybe he meant Canadian dollars. Maybe he did. When I joined, it said I only got the discount for the first month. Okay, right, let's clarify that then. Let's clarify that to my members. Members come first. Shad says, when I joined, it said I only get the discount for 1 month. Now, as I am understanding, my understanding with Ali is, my members on this channel get lifetime discount to the service. That is what it should be. That's what I've been telling everybody. That's what Ali told me. Members get the lifetime discount, not for the first month, lifetime discount. Members get lifetime discount. So Shad, talk to Ali. That's what he's confirmed with me. So that's what it will be. That's what it will be. All right, we've got 5 minutes to go. Left-hand roll, did that help you at all? Was that useful to you? Hopefully you'll become a member of our channel. If you want to talk to all our Virgin Galactic enthusiasts and investors, there's Discord. It's free to talk to everybody. If you want to be a member of our channel, do a poll, exclusive content. You'll see me when I went to Virgin Orbit. I've got exclusive members-only videos. There'll be members-only videos when I go to Virgin Galactic. Here they are. This is me at Virgin Orbit. I'll be going, these are all members-only videos, exclusive members-only chats, cash giveaways, you name it, we've got it all going on. All right. Plus, of course, if you are a member, I will celebrate your birthday. I'm the World Piano Man. I'll go to my studio behind me and do some live music for you, your birthday. You can also have a 20-minute fundraiser, and we've raised over $1 million for our charities on our music channel doing that. We also have our newsletter coming out every week where you can win a cash prize. You don't have to be a member for that, by the way. Okay, I've got 5 minutes to go. Right then, let's bring everybody up to date. We've got 37 watching, 20 likes. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Smash the like button. You ready? Let's zoom on in and let's see how many likes we've got. There's 40 watching now, 20 likes. Now, unless we've got a lot of bots watching, we should get to 30 likes easy. When we get to 100, we'll give away a cash prize on the show. Today's show is shorter as I've got to rescue my music channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm the World Piano Man with my music channel. Hey, we got a fantastic audience on TikTok this morning. Thanks to all of you. 23. Let's 23 likes. Come on, get to 30 likes, and we will be giving 24. Once we get to 100 likes, we'll give away a cash prize on the show. Excellent stuff. All right, we're up to 23. Not too bad, but a bit quiet today though. Bit of a quiet show. Never mind, we'll keep going ahead and see if we can get to 100. There's 40 watching, or 24 now. There we go. Right then, there's a bit of a battle going on TikTok. Let me share with you on TikTok what's going on. If you become my top gifter today, I will follow you back. And one of the features that you might like, if you hit the little star that appears up here and become a subscriber, I will make a video. I'll put your channel on this screen, record. There's the star, just there, look. I will record a commercial for you and invite everyone to follow you. And I will tag you in it, and I will share it on my profile. I'll put it on my profile, inviting everyone, 32,000 people to follow you. And if you look at my YouTube video yesterday, on YouTube, obviously, I shared with you how I actually did that and doubled someone's views and doubled someone's likes in one day. And I don't mean 1 view to 2 views. It was something like 6,000 to 12,000 and 80,000 to 160,000 views in one day. Go and check out that video. It's on YouTube right now on our channel, links in the profile. And I can do that for you just by becoming a subscriber. Or I'll also, if you become top gifter today, I will follow you back and tag you in my viral post that way as well. So there you go. All right. 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Tesla's still rising. I want to buy it when it goes back down. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's watch. 1 minute to the madness. Mohammed will do the live on Lucid earnings in 3 weeks. Yes, of course I will. I cover all the earnings. Well, not all of them. You know what I mean. So, buy a Tesla. Limit order. 120. Drop in a market share. Review. If we get a drop, It's there to catch it. 30 seconds to go. Don't think it's going to go to 112 anymore. The earnings was a massive beat. So let's have a look. Let's see what happens. 15 seconds to go. I've still got my long-term position. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Let's watch what's happening today. It's running. You could set a stop trail loss on it. If you want to buy it now, it might pump for a while. It's going up. 161. Be careful, though. Elon Musk will probably sell it. That's what I'm worrying about. The overall portfolio is up 1%, so I'm still making money. I don't have to be in any particular stock to make money. My overall portfolio is up. The S&P is up, of course. Virgin Galactic is up 3.36. We'll wait and see what happens on months number 2. Yeah, we've got another pullback. Anyone who thinks that this is a bull market is not looking at what's going on. We are in a bear market rally, so be very careful. Nothing goes straight up. Nothing at all goes straight up. Even if it looks that way for 5 minutes, it isn't the case. I've still got my position in my Roth IRA for Tesla. So I still have exposure. As you can see, my Roth IRA is doing nicely now. My overall position is 39.7. I told you I could hit 40,000 today, which would be awesome. Look at that, straight line. But it will come back. Nothing goes up forever. It's very nice. I've got a lot of stable stocks now, a lot of good dividend stocks paying me as well. Let's go through all our positions. We're up 1.27. See, I don't have to be in Tesla, you see, to be able to make money. The S&P is going up with it. Just realized I am like 5 minutes behind. Yes, click the live button and bring yourself up to date. Virgin Galactic, very nice indeed. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, dropping off now. Tesla, it touched 160, it's there again. Lucid's now going down, so be careful. It's not a one-way story. Everyone gets carried away going, oh, that's it, we're all going to make money. It just keeps on going. Not the case. I've got the biggest part of my portfolio is VU, Apple, and Amazon. That is where the safe money is. And there's a good dividend in VU and Apple. Nothing, of course, in Amazon. But Amazon, for the very first time, I'm about to make some money. I am $31 out of the money. I've been out of the money now for about 6 months. Very excited if that happens today. McDonald's. Want to get some McDonald's if it goes down dramatically like that. Coca-Cola. Want to add to that. J&J, I've got $800 to spend. Google, Microsoft, Arrival is up 10%. Arrival is up 10% today. It's doing its pump and dump again. Arrival is up 10%. Walmart is up. Oh my gosh, we're 1.25% now. Next Extra Energy is still going down. I like this one at this price. It pays a good dividend. Remember, it's got no real history, though, of how long it can pay a decent dividend, though. Let's remember, it's only been around... how long has it been around for? 1984. Okay. It's getting cheaper. 75.40. 70. I'm going to set a buy on Next Extra Energy. 75.46. Buy a limit order. 75.46. 2 shares. 75.46, 2 shares. Purchased. There we go. I've just lowered my position on Next Extra Energy. It pays a dividend. It's solar. But it's a great way to do it. It's one of the biggest. I like it. And I've just lowered my average. It's got a good valuation. It's still a little bit on the expensive side. The PE ratio, let's come back to Tesla in a second, 43 times earnings. So I just nibbled at it, got my position down. There you go, and it's starting to go up. So I'm doing well on that one now. There we go. That was a good buy. I don't want to get any more than that right now. There we go. That was perfect buy. So there we go. Got it down this morning. Got my average down from 8% down to 6%, and we're making money. I just bought those 2 shares at 75.44. There we go, and we're going up. So that was a good deal. I will leave that now. I don't want to get carried away. It's still expensive, but there we go. Good trade. Okay, moving back to my main portfolio. I'm at 1.1. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic dipped and now returning. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Right, it's hit that 160 and it was rejected. So we're getting some resistance now at 160. Are we going to get a sell-off? I think we will at some point. It won't just keep going up and up and up. A lot of people will take profits. They've learned that Tesla cannot run forever. No stock can. But people sometimes get carried away and think it can. I did it. We all did it. Next Extra Energy, great return there. It had a nice dip. I've increased my position. That was a perfect trade. I don't know if anybody noticed that. That was actually a perfect trade on Next Extra Energy. There we go. Let me read the comments. AT&T did well post earnings. In Tesla at 117, I'm comfortable. Jason Fallon, Rivian up. JRY would like to see how Dow stocks down more so I can build up my dividend portfolio with more than just Microsoft. I wish Intel Corp would drop a little so I can buy more. There you go. Next Extra Energy, top tip there, and that worked out very well for me. Good. Still expensive. We're looking for value, right? Always look for value. Up 1.19. We've got $510. Well, in fact, we've got more than that. We've got $630 in my buying power. Looking for some further drops. Rivian is now selling off. Tesla's now 160. It's broke 160. If it breaks 170, it could go to 193. Lucid is going down. Still 44% in it. Apple, 1.5% out of the money. Amazon, up 2%. I'm literally $43 out of the money. McDonald's is a good one as well. It's still expensive, though. It is 33 times earnings. Look for the value. Coca-Cola, nice. Coca-Cola is now, let's have a quick look at what the valuation of that is. 26 earnings, better value. Good dividend, solid. It's nice. J&J. I'm looking for any of these that go down below my all-time lows. Microsoft doing well today. Walmart. Tesco. Next Extra Energy. Really great. It was perfect timing. Enphase Energy. I like it, but Enphase Energy is way too expensive. That's the trouble. Enphase Energy is very, very good company, but it is incredibly expensive. 106 times earnings. We're looking for value. We're looking for security. We're looking to make money without any stress. Grab Rio Tinto. It has good dividends. It does have good dividends. We're up now 1.16. This is good. On the live position, on the day position, on the week position, on the month position, and look at it. And the year to date, 8.87, nearly $3,000 now. So 35.8, 39.66696. So we could get $40,000 today. That could be easily achievable. However, sell-off Friday tomorrow. I'm ready to buy back Tesla with my profit I made. Maybe it will happen. Maybe it won't. Doesn't matter. I've got my money elsewhere. The S&P is doing very nice. Nearly 3.5% now. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, getting cheaper. Tesla, it's been rejected now twice at that 160-ish. Get ready to buy back. That's what I'm looking to do. I've set a buy at 120. It's getting rejection. It's not running forever. Nothing runs forever. Incredible stuff. So there we go. Tesla. Just now getting rejected at that 160 area. If it tries it 3 times and gets rejected at it, it's more likely to sell off. Sorry, I have to come back. Members will get lifetime discount. I will have to check with Stripe how to make sure this happens. There we go. There we go. I told you guys, lifetime membership to Ali Services, lifetime discount to Ali Services through my membership. That's the deal. All that will be honoured, of course, for all our members here. Our members always will get the best deal. 158. It's getting rejected. Won't run forever. Now, if it breaks 160, 162, 63, it could go up to 190. Don't thank Ali, Shad. You got to thank me. Thank me. It's me batting for the members, not Ali. Ali's trying to take all your money. I'm only joking. I'm only joking. So, oh, by the way, when we're all watching this, you will not believe this. You will not believe this. This happened last night during my show. It was very nice. Church called in. And remember, Church called in and said, congratulations on the channel, you're growing and all the rest of it. And do you remember someone came in called Martyn Lucas Highlights? I guess it's what happens, right? When you start to grow, you get fans, you get spin-off shows. I'm going to call it a spin-off show. Look at this. Yes, yeah. Has he posted? Yeah, look. I don't know whether I should tell you to subscribe to this or not. I don't know. Look. This is, look, he actually has posted videos on me. I'm not kidding you. I tell you no lie. What do you mean the mission has failed? Look. What do you mean the mission has failed? Virgin Orbit. And actually, it's got voiceovers and everything. Look. I'll go to the beginning. What? Failure. What? Hang on. How do I get to the beginning of this? The satellite... Are you being serious? Are you being absolutely serious? How do I get to the beginning of it? It won't let me tag it back. Why won't it tag it back? Hang on a minute. Let's come out of it. Mission failed. You are bloody kidding me. Let's play that again. Look. It's got a voiceover and everything.
Investor Martyn
mission
Lucas
has failed. It's on the news. The mission has failed. See? He goes, Martyn Lucas, investor. What do you mean the mission has failed? Lost $600 in minutes. And he's made a video. What do you mean the mission has failed? He's probably loving this. I'm giving him free publicity, aren't I? What? Anyway, There you go. Look at that. Can you believe it? I missed mission is failed 10 minutes before it failed. Ha ha, yeah. I said mission is failed 10 minutes before it failed. I watched this live. It was great. Can you use this clip as my message tone can I use this clip as my message tone when the wife calls? Brilliant. So there you go. There you go, Tesla. There you go, folks. Now, I'm not saying it's going to go all the way down, but there will be profit taking. All right. I don't know how low it's going to go. I've set a buy at 120. I don't see it going to 112 again, but let's see what happens. That's its first sell since this whole excitement kicked off. Yeah, so people are actually making videos. I commented on the video, and he messaged me, I think on Discord or somewhere. He said, and all he said was, no, he messaged me on my channel. He's very clever because he's getting me to promote his channel, right? Everyone's going to subscribe to it. Anyway, he said, I'm a reporter. Maybe he's just a YouTuber. I don't know what that means. I'm a reporter. But there you go. Anyway, so Tesla, 35,000. We just dipped a little bit. We banked our profits. It's a good thing to do. Let's look at Next Extra Energy. There you go. So basically, I used some profit from Tesla to buy Next Extra Energy. And remember, the idea is when a stock pops and it becomes expensive, you take a profit, you buy something that is oversold. That's how to grow a portfolio. If you think that you can buy a stock like Tesla or Microsoft or Virgin Galactic or Bitcoin and it just runs forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and you can't lose money, then you're going to make a big mistake. We've learned that lesson over and over and over again. So I took some profits off the table. I've still got my long-term position on Tesla. I love it. I love the company. Still involved. Took some profit. Then bought Next Extra Energy when it was at a really low price. Okay, remember it pays a dividend, so it's free money anyway coming in, and that's gone up straight away. So that's the idea. Now what I could do now is sell the few shares that have popped up and buy back Tesla if I wanted to, or bank it and wait till it does. But that's the strategy we're using right now. Now, I don't know, and nor does anybody else know, if Tesla is going to run all day or if it's going to sell off right now. Nobody knows. All right, let's see how many likes we've got. But you never lose money taking profits. All right, we've got 28 likes right now with 41 watching. If we can get to 100 likes in the show, we've got 10 minutes to go. I've got to end early again today because I've got to make some more music videos. Each day is going to get shorter at the moment until the 31st of January, and hopefully I'll be back at normal times after the 31st of January if I've got my 4,000 watch hours secured on my music channel. Otherwise, I'm going to have to shorten the hours down. Bought at 105, sold at 155. Oh, nice. I sold at 146. Very good. So Ali sold at 155. Everything is up, waiting before I buy. What now? Absolutely. Absolutely. Very nice. So Ali Tizro, despite what he was saying last night about how he thought I was bashing down Elon Musk, he also sold his shares of Tesla. So there you go. Nothing wrong with taking profits. You just buy back again. All right. Now, your long-term position, I'm holding it. I'm holding it in my Roth IRA, and I'll keep it for 10 years until I retire, whatever. By then, maybe it'll be a dividend stock. Who knows what will happen in 10 years? No one knows. Jason Fallon's also sold. There you go. There you go. I mean, that's a 40% rise since the beginning of the year. 40%. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. All right. It's holding, though. It's not selling off at the moment. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But what you do know is 40% profit is 40% profit. Sold at 160. Mike got the best trade. Mike sold at 160. Very, very nice. So everyone's banked some money today. Everyone's made some money. There you go. That's the way to go. Right, the overall market is selling off at the moment just a little bit. There we go. We're falling down now. The S&P's going down. Virgin Galactic's gone down. So I wouldn't be surprised. Virgin, here we go. Here's the profit taking. Tesla's not fallen off yet. Lucid's gone back down. Apple's holding up. There you go. Amazon, it's pretty much holding up. Hasn't moved much, has it? McDonald's, I want to buy some. Coca-Cola, I want to buy at 58. J&J is holding up. Very nice. My next Extra Energy, still going up. So there you go. That's exactly the right move. So I am happy with that. I am happy. I took profits, made a profit. There you go. Don't get carried away with everything going up forever. Awesome. What about Meta? Meta's now up to 143. It's just topped out at, I've said it over and over again, the best value stock on the stock market. Church has said, check Ford. Yep, they're up today, 0.2. Just selling back now at the moment. The overall markets are all dropping. Google. Right. Think I'll sell Amazon. I'm out of the money. Oh, sorry, there's my Amazon. I'm out of the money on Amazon, but yeah, it's had a nice run. I could get my money back out and buy it back lower. I'm going to hold it though. I've got it in my long-term position on my Roth. I've also got it here. I see a great future for Amazon. So even though I'm on a wash right now, it's a staple. It's a solid for me. Hold Amazon tax season. Yeah, I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I'm also holding Apple as well. And I'm a long-term investor in Apple and Amazon right now. Tesla, interesting now, isn't it? It's been rejected a couple of times. It's getting lower levels, lower highs, if you can see it each time. Can you see that? Look. Lower high, keeps bouncing off and getting rejected and going lower. Could go all of a sudden. As soon as people start feeling there's some doubt, it could drop. It could drop quickly. I've got a buy at 120. I mean, I sold it at 146, so I buy it back at 120. It's still cheap at that price. But at the end of the day, right now we are 44 times earnings. 44 times earnings. It's still expensive. Anyway. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on the show. Got a cash prize giveaway. If we can do it, we're going to end the show in a few minutes because I've still got to. I'm ending it early because I've got to fix my music channel. We've got 3,650 watch hours, and we've got 4 days left to go. So if you've not yet done that, each day we're going to be doing less and less hours on the Investor Channel because I need to rescue this channel. So what you do is you go to the music channel. It's on the homepage of the Investor Channel, and here it is. And all you do is pick a playlist, any playlist other than shorts. Shorts will count from the 1st of February, but right now they don't count. Pick a playlist with plenty of things in it. The Ukraine one's good. It's got 43 things in it. And you click play all. All right. And then loop it. All right. There you go. This is my music. And there's videos I've recorded with Sir Paul McCartney recently, the army in Ukraine, all kinds of things that you might be interested in. But all you do is click a playlist. All right, and then you'll be good to go. So you just click play all on a playlist, loop it at the top, and let it run. All right, okay. Let me give everybody the homepage in case you want a link. There you go. There is the homepage. And because of that, I've got to get off and do some more promotion and work on it right now. So we're going to end the show a little bit earlier. Lucas Lupus, 2 devices going. Stephen Lewandowski, thank you. I've got 5 people doing it now. If I had everyone doing it, we'd be done in an hour. But thank you for those of you that are doing it. I appreciate it. But I have to then keep shortening these shows to fix it myself. Technically, I'm still on my holiday. I may miss the afternoon show. If you need me, hit me up on Discord. Family, starting my options channel soon. Well, you know who's going to promote that for you, don't you, Churchy? All right. Okay. The S&P now selling off. Virgin Galactic, down she goes. Want to buy it lower. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, and the selling has just started. Now we keep hitting these peaks here, look, and then getting rejected and coming down. Al Qudus, man, this is confusing. Al Qudus, it says it's confusing. What's confusing? What do you want to know? If you become a member, I will answer all your questions. Reply to all your comments. You can do a poll. I'll make videos for you. Whatever you need, I'm here to help. What's confusing? What do you need to know? Tesla, there we go. Starting to get rejected. I've got buy orders at 120. Congratulations to Mike selling at 160. Congratulations to Ali Tizro at 150. All the fanboys are going, oh, hang on a minute. I thought it was going to run forever. No, it's investing. I think the Tesla stock has grown up, actually. I think it's a much better stock to be in now. It's got a lot more stability, I think, since Elon Musk crashed it with his Tesla selling. I think a lot more people now are going, hang on a minute, I'm going to take profits from this. I'm not just going to run it up forever and keep buying it forever. I think this is very, very healthy for the stock. Very healthy for the stock. Elon Musk basically stuffed himself by lying, and people don't trust him anymore. We like the company, but we don't believe a word he says anymore. At least I don't. You might, but I don't. And I wouldn't be surprised if he sells it quickly now. He wants to make some money. He talked it up last night. He was promoting himself on Twitter, telling everybody how big he was on Twitter, which I thought was incredible. But if you've not checked that video out yet, by the way, has anyone seen that video last night that I made about Elon Musk bragging about how big he was on Twitter? On an earnings call of all places, on an earnings call, can you believe it, for Tesla? If you've not seen the video, here is the video. There it is. Elon Twitter brags about Twitter followers. There you go. That just came out a few hours ago. Go and check it out. It's on the homepage of the channel. See what you think. See what you think. If you missed it, here it is. I'll give you the link. Unbelievable. I was like, you are kidding me, right? Stephen saw it. He commented. Thank you. There's the link. Oh, hello. That's a bit big. Oh, I'm a bit big. Oh, hello. That's not good. Who wants to see that? No one wants to see that. Anyway, go and have a little listen. See what you think of that. Right. It's day trader of the day. The market is selling off as predicted. We've taken some profits. We managed to buy Next Extra Energy on the dip, and it's going up with my profits from Tesla. It earned a dividend, remember, so it got oversold. Next Extra Energy is great for the future. I've increased my position. I bought another couple of shares. I've still kept some cash. I sold my Tesla to buy this. Not only is this up since I bought it, and Tesla's going down, which is good, I've also got a dividend from this company as well. I've got a dividend of 2.03 dividend yield. Look, so very, very nice indeed. Lowered my average, improved my position, and it's going up quite quickly now as well. So there you go. That was a good move as far as I'm concerned. So let's go back to Tesla, and it's continually falling. So there we go. So just before we wrap up the show, I'm going to make a video on that. I'm going to make a video on that. Here we go. So here's my reactionary video to Tesla. Next Extra Energy. Okay, Next Extra Energy and Tesla. Here is my reaction video to the markets this morning, the day after, the night before, Elon Musk and Tesla. And I'm very happy with the way I played it. Let me go straight into it and share with you exactly. Tesla last night popped up. I took profits at 146. I sold my short-term position. I've got my long-term position still in my Roth IRA. I said that this now will fall in the morning, and it has. It started to. It keeps getting rejected. I've got a buy order to buy back at 120. My average is 112. You can see here, I've now sold my short-term position. I'm prepared to pay 120. Elon Musk let me down with his Twitter rant about how big he is on Twitter. If you want to see that video, you can just go to above my head just there, and that'll take you to the moment that Elon Musk brags about his Twitter experiences, despite his lying to his investors, selling off his shares of Tesla to buy Twitter. And the most unbelievable, disrespectful thing I've ever seen on an earnings call, and it shows you the ego of the man. But however, I am an investor in Tesla, just not a fan of Elon Musk anymore. I can't abide by liars, manipulators, and people then brag on how they stuffed it to the investor. Incredible. Anyway, so Tesla's gone down this morning. What did I do with it? I sold it. And I took a profit. Many of my investors on my show did far better than me. They sold it at 155, 160. I did at 146 because I knew it was going to go down, and I wanted the money on hand. And what I did was buy this, Next Extra Energy. I have a small position, but it went down and got oversold. It beat on earnings, but got a bad forecast. However, this company does well, and it's got a good dividend. Remember, Tesla doesn't have a dividend at all. This company has got plenty of growth in it. It's not like Enphase Energy, which is overbought and 1,000,000% up. This is one that's at the beginning of its journey, but is a world leader. So I bought this morning on the dip, and I'm up on it. So I took my profits from Tesla, and I bought this. So not only have I made money on Tesla because I know it's going to go back down, I bought Next Extra Energy, and I can now grow this one, and I get a dividend as well. So for those of you who think we are now in a bull market, I've got some news for you. This is still a bear market. It's a bear market rally that has run for 3 weeks. Bear market rallies can run for quite a considerable time. However, I do think 2023 is going to get much lower lows. So I'm taking profits. I'm putting it into stocks that are emerging, that have only upward growth, not downward growth. There's still, downward pressure, and there is still downward pressure on Tesla, no question about it. But if we go back to Next Extra Energy, as I'm talking about it, it's going up and up and up, and the only regret I have is buying more. But it would have made no sense for me to buy any more. 2% of my portfolio is balanced. I want to have cash on hand. Why? Well, because I do think that Tesla will go down today, and I could pick it up at 120. It's quite a drop, right? The earnings was great. Elon Musk let himself down. Most people don't care about that. I do. For me, fundamentally, lying and abusing your investors is paramount to me. Most people say, I don't care, the stock's going up. Well, I do, because I look at the longer term damage of the brand, and I think the longer term damage of the brand is there. It's a great company, it's doing really great, but Elon Musk should, in my opinion, should remain as chief rocket scientist, chief engineer, what he calls himself, but I do think he should be taken off as the CEO. I think he's a bad representation of the company. I think the company would do better if Elon Musk wasn't the CEO. Anyway, Tesla's going back up as I talk about it right now. It might go back up a bit, but I don't think it's going to break that 160. If it does break 163 today, it's likely to go up to 190. And that's good for me as well, because I hold my long-term position on my Roth IRA. So I'm holding that position, but I am out of my short-term position, and so I have two accounts with Robinhood, and I'm looking to buy it back down. So let's just update Next Extra Energy. There you go. There's my Tesla money going up. I was down 8% this morning. I'm now down 4.93. It's getting better and better as we speak about it, actually. Next Extra Energy. There you go. Plus the dividend. It's safe. So there you go. What are your thoughts on Elon Musk last night? Do you think that his rants about how good he is and how big he is on Tesla is bad for Tesla, or you think it's just Elon being Elon and you don't care? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll reply to all your comments. If you want to win $20 today, by the way, we're giving away tomorrow morning on the opening bell. Click up here and it will take you to our Ali Tizro video about our crypto challenge, and if you watch it through, it tells you what comment to leave, and you can actually win a $20 cash prize tomorrow on the show. I know it's not much, but it's double the money I make on the video. I just like to help people out. There you go. So check that out and you can win tomorrow. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, I'm going to do a thumbnail, which will be... This won't make any sense right now, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this, and I sold this for this. I sold Next Extra Energy for Tesla. So there you go. This will make no sense to you at all, so just don't worry about it. This for this. What should I do? I'm going to put Tesla here and Next Extra Energy there, and it will be... All right. Okay. That went out at... What time did that go out? One hour 30. 1 hour 30 TSLA. All right. EIEIO, says Bill. Stephen Lewandowski up 1.64, up 1.7. JRY agreed with me. Thank you. Glad to see not every YouTuber is not an Elon. I'm glad to see not every YouTuber is not an Elon fanboy. No, I'm just an investor. I'm not a fan of anyone. I'm a fan of my audience. I'm a fan of you guys. I'm a fan of the members. I'm not a fan of Elon Musk. Absolutely not. And I don't care if people unsubscribe for me because I say the truth. I'm not going to be persuaded to, say things just to get you to watch my video. My focus is on the honesty to my members, and it's why we have 95% of our members, of our live viewers, are members with the highest engagement rate on YouTube. And I'm going to stick with that theory, and that's my plan to grow this channel. We want the most honest, real channel in the world, not the biggest. It'll become the biggest by just be focusing on becoming the best. That's my hope. That's my hope anyway. And again, not because of me, because of the community that follow this channel. Virgin Galactic's now down 1.7. There we go. I agreed. I believe he will sell Tesla by the end, by the mid. Yes, I would. Absolutely. So you don't want to buy it now. He just keeps lying. It's a shame, really, because the company's phenomenal. He's done a phenomenal job, and if he stopped lying and just was more honest, it's very silly. He's damaged the brand. There was a poll done of under 25s, 80% plus said they wouldn't buy a Tesla because they don't like Elon Musk. That's. He doesn't seem to think. I mean, by saying I've got 127 million followers on Twitter and I'm basically the greatest thing in the world, that really isn't very smart. But people will follow you if you're controversial or you're dramatic. They will. I've unfollowed Elon Musk, by the way, just so everyone knows. I was following Elon Musk and I unfollowed him. I thought, I'm not following anymore. I don't want to be I don't want to be manipulated by you. I'll read your post when it suits me, but I'm not having the bing, bing, bing go off every day with Elon Musk saying stuff, basically disrespecting my investment. I'm not doing it. I'm not playing that game. Anyway, morning. I'm late, but here. Flood of edits. I deleted Twitter and Instagram. I get too many people trying to scam me. To yesterday with the same scam. Pay my creditors. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Yay. Yeah. What's up, Bill and William? Right. it's time to end the show. I've got to get out of here. It's an early show, and the reason for it being an early show is I've got to rescue my music channel. We're at 3,650. We've got a little way to go, and we've got just a few days left. So I've got to get off. The shows will get shorter over the next few days if we do get closer and closer and I don't hit it. So I've got to put more energy at the moment into my music channel. So hopefully if everyone loops it today, then tomorrow we can have a long show. But I might have to take a day off if it gets another day. Anyway, I'm going to get off. I'll see you all back for the closing bell this afternoon. Look out for the videos. Watch Tesla. I've got a limit order set for 120. It could suddenly drop. We shall see. Elon Musk might suddenly sell it and it will go down. But anyway, we'll see what happens. I'll see you all back in a bit. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's have a quick look. So I'm up again today, 0.37%. I'm happy with that. Every day we're up. We're taking profits. Next extra energy did me good. It's fallen off a little bit, no surprise. From here to here, bound to have some profit taking. Scalp trading makes perfect sense. If it goes down lower again, I'll do it again, and I'll keep chiseling down because that's got momentum. No question about it. Right, so day trader of the day. Poacher score, I'm up 0.32. Let's get a minute on the clock. I can't post the scores, can I? Because the YouTube isn't sending them to me. I'm up 0.37. Jason Fallon up 2%. Mike is up 0.06. Stephen Lewandowski up 1.64. Looks like Jason Fallon is the winner at the moment. I'm sorry I can't share it on the screen. YouTube aren't sending through the links to me. There's nothing I can do about that at the moment, I'm afraid. Stephen Lewandowski up 1.64. Jason Fallon is up 2%. So I'm going to give it to Jason Fallon. Congratulations, Jason. Great score. Sorry I can't share it on the screen. Thank you for your honest trades and give him the sound effects. Awesome. Very, very good indeed. All right, we're going to wrap up today's show. 144 through it already. I'm sure we'd have reached 200 if I kept going another half an hour. But I've got to get off. I've got to rescue my music channel. Hopefully, game over, said Jason Fallon. What are you... let's have a look. Let's have a look. Tesla's going down. Still going down. Yeah. Let's see. 156. This is where Ali Tizro sold. Congratulations to Mike for selling at 160. I think that was a really good move. A really good move. I sold at 146 because I wanted the money in the hand this morning for the dip this morning. There we go. Next extra energy is going back up again. So that did really well for me. It's 1.9% of my portfolio. Look, see, look at that. It's going to turn green. It's going to turn green when most shares are going down now. There. Very, very nice indeed. All right. I'm out of here. Congratulations. Thanks, guys. All right. I'll see you all back this afternoon. Look out for the videos. Keep looping those videos over there on the music channel. And I'll be back this afternoon with you. In the meantime, it's time to roll the credits. In fact, yes, I'll roll the credits. I don't think we've got anything to celebrate today on the credits, but I will roll them anyway. And I'll see you back this afternoon, all right? Okay, here we go. I've got to get to work on my music channel. So, stars of the show, thank you very much indeed. No, I didn't think there was anything. We didn't get any subscribers or followers on Twitch, did we? Let me check my Twitch subscribers. 13 subscribers. Go and make sure that there's one person missing. There's normally 14. Make sure that your... membership has been renewed. If it's not, make sure you renew it. But anyway, I'll see you all back in a bit. Let's have a look at what's moving. The overall portfolio is coming up now. I'm up 0.59. S&P is returning. Virgin Galactic still going down. I'm not going to sell it though. Even if I lose my 244 bucks, it's fine. I'll just buy back more. Rivian, Tesla, it's 156.77. It's going sideways now. I think it could be dead money now for a quarter. I don't think we're going to get any growth now on Tesla for a quarter, and I think we might even it might even sell off. Elon Musk might make sure of that. But anyway, Lucid is up 0.8. Apple is up 0.86, rising again. 2% out of the money at the moment, and just 1.5% out of the money on Amazon. That's rising again. McDonald's is rising again. Coca-Cola is 60.71. I'm up in the money. And J&J is up 0.15. Google is up 1.28. Very good. All right, guys, I'll see you back in a bit. Hope to see you over there on the Martyn Lucas channel, the music channel. Anyway, until then, have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll see you back this afternoon. Till then, take care of yourselves and each other.